Right, so I did like a long format video about these two kits, and I did like a wear test, which I'll probably upload later or tomorrow. But I've also seen videos of people trashing these guys on here. So I don't hate them. I'm not going to trash them. And I think part of the reason why people are trashing these is because they're expecting them to be something that they're not, okay? These liquid lipsticks, because they claim to be glossy liquid lipsticks, there is no one type of liquid lipstick, okay? There's many different type of liquid lipsticks. You've got the ones that dry down and they are supposed to last 8 hours, although I don't like these are sticky. I prefer the Give Beauty ones, which have been discontinued, but even after a couple hours these kinds of lipsticks flake. And then you have like this kind of one. I don't even know if they still make them. I'm thinking people are expecting them to behave like those kind of lipsticks, but they're not. They're not those lipsticks. They are like the L'Oreal Rouge lipsticks. I'm pretty sure these have since been discontinued. You can still find them online. Let me pull that up one sec. Alright, so I pulled it up. They're still on Amazon, and they're way cheaper than they were 2 years ago, because I believe I bought it like 2 summers ago. It's only like $6 now. These were double digits at the time. They did not dry down. They were just a liquid lipstick. And I am doing a video where I compare these guys. And they essentially behave the same way. The Bpure is slightly less pigmented than the L'Oreal, but that's to be expected type of a thing, right? Now, as far as the lip pencils that come with them, I agree, I don't like them. But I have been getting a use out of them because I've been playing with them. Okay, so see, this one has since been sharpened, and I didn't care for the pink lemonade one. But the way I make it work is I got my own ride or die lip liner. That's my favorite color, and that's what I'm wearing right now. And then what I do is, because this one is too creamy for my taste, I don't like the one that is this creamy, I use this as a lipstick underneath the gloss. So then what I do is I kind of blend it into the lip liner that I'm wearing, okay? You see what I mean? And what this will do is, one, it'll use up the liner that you obviously don't like because it's too creamy, right? And two, it'll act as like a base for the liquid lipstick so that you don't end up losing color as quickly throughout the day, because you have to touch up with these guys. These guys are not ones that you're going to be able to put it on and it lasts hours and hours. It's something that you're going to have to go periodically through the day, check yourself in the mirror and reapply it. It's like a regular bullet lipstick essentially, or a gloss. Okay? And this one was like a ridiculously bright one, which is why I didn't care for it. So, but I found a way to make it work for me so that it's not obnoxious, at least not as obnoxious type of a deal. So I don't hate it. I'm not hating it. I honestly think people jumped the gun, okay? It's $1.25. What do you expect? You know, it's like the equivalent of what drugstore makeup was back in the 90s and early 2000s. It's not all that great, and it's very hard to work with, and you need to find a way to make it work for you type of deal. And another thing is, if you don't like this, because like for me, I feel this is a bit too bright on me, okay? I can use this as blush. And like tap it out and use it up as a blush if I don't want to use it as a lipstick. It's not really that big of a deal. You can find creative ways to use up the products that you find at Dollar Tree that you don't necessarily care for. It's really not the end of the world. And to like be like, they're terrible, they're terrible. They're $1.25 for crying out loud, alright? They're not that terrible. I like them. Alright, see you guys later. Okay, bye.